Hello there, guys and girls. Good midnight to each every one of you. As you can see, there's another baby snail who will be in danger. See that? There's a motorcycle coming over here. If I'm not in here, this might get cracked. So I'm gonna save you, baby snail, okay? Why is it that you are in here in the middle of the midnight? In the middle of the street, huh? You're looking for something? Don't be shy. You hide on your shell. I'm gonna save you, okay? See that? The large street. You will never know. You might get hit, okay? Ay. So I'm gonna put you in here, okay? So stay safe, baby snail. Huh?